Hey guys, it's your awkward, Tim Burton obsessed, anxious friend Cat Sketch here today to bring you another makeup transformation, and we are going to do a body painting of something that I have been a long time fan of, which is the Grudge. There's a brand new one coming out and I am so excited to see it. So I thought, since I've turned into the Grudge, or was that the Ring? I get them confused. I'm pretty sure I turned into Samara. I didn't want to just turn into the Grudge girl because they're so similar. There's so many like dark, long-haired, creepy girl characters out there that I thought today I would just paint her on my chest and do like her hands coming out of my mouth, because in the promos the hands and fingertips come out of the back of the head and it's so disgusting, so creepy, so mortifying, and so intriguing that I want to watch it. I cannot wait. So today we're gonna do that body painting. No, I'm not naked. I do have a tube top on. We're gonna get that going with some fingers popping out of my mouth. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a little bit of makeup on. I have like just a natural makeup because we're gonna do this painting here that I'm so excited about. With the gray face of the Grudge girl, we are gonna use this gray cream paint first, just to get a base of the face. Again, if you do not know this, if you haven't studied art, most people's face shapes are oval, or they want to meet the oval, rough ovals. All right, once you have your rough oval on, I'm gonna powder it down with some translucent setting powder so that we could put more makeup on top. Like a white cream paint so that we could do the highlight marks of like the bridge of the nose, the forehead, stuff like that. Using your fingertips might help to blend in the product as well. Once you think you have enough white highlight cream paint, we could get more translucent setting powder and start painting on the face. I'm just gonna get my Mehron aqua paints and use the white and black to paint the face. Just getting some white aqua paint to start doing the whiteness of her eye. And you get some black aqua paint to start doing the darker parts of the pupil and the hair streaks, and the nose. You can even do her mouth. You really want to look at reference pictures of this, get a really good image of her staring with the hair in her face. Like a really iconic image, which won't be hard because this is what really sells the movie. You can even get some of the gray aqua paint to blend in certain shadows. You really want to make sure you have some ombre of the eye, like the black to gray ratio looking good. Again, you could, using your fingertips really does help. This is hard. I'm gonna get some pink paint to do like the redness of the eye. And I need to do a little white dot of like highlight in the eye, or should I say eyes. This is gonna take a long time, I'm sure, but it's worth it. All right, to get more black aqua paint, we're gonna start drawing the rest of the hair to really creep people out. With aqua paints like this, you really wanna get a consistency that's like not too wet, not too thick. If it's too thick, it'll skip. If it's too wet, it will drip all over your body and mess up like all the intricate designs and detail you did. Oh my gosh, I'm getting scared. Oh gosh. I should do some white for her outfit. She needs like strands of hair that are awry. Just a little bit awry. Nothing too crazy. I like to get these detail brushes for like nail art, for like hair strands. So you need like hair strands to make it look more realistic. You know how we have baby hairs? Well, so does the girl from the Grudge. She don't have like tame, beautiful. She's got the herb to herbal essence. You remember those ads in the 90s? I used to love those ads. I don't know why. Well, that looks frightening. Heck yeah. Now some white paint for her outfit. I need her like hunched. I don't know why. I just do. It just seems right. She kind of looks like Salad Fingers. If Salad Fingers was like humanoid and based out of Japan. Gosh, I want to do a Salad Fingers makeup so bad. Leave me a comment down below if you think I should turn into Salad Fingers. That would be great. Or any other video ideas you have, to be honest. I could use them all. Okay, let's do the fingers coming from my mouth. Why not? She has gray fingers, so we need to make sure we do that. I'd rather have my fingertips be closer together than farther apart because we could always darken in around it, the gray. I'm powdering it down with translucent powder. That was the gray cream paint we started off with her face with. Now I'm just gonna get some dark gray cream paint and start painting her fingernails and fingertips. Her fingernails are like a darker gray than the rest of her finger. All right, now for some black aqua paint. I'm just gonna outline these fingers and use your fingertips to make the fingertips. I'm gonna do some shadow, like where it's grabbing my face. There you go. We're getting places. Make it look dirty. I'm afraid to cough because imagine if like I coughed and like gray stuff came out. Look like I'd be coughing up black blood or ink. Gonna powder that and get some matte black eyeshadow from my Spirit Board palette from Peachy Queen. It's the best matte black eyeshadow on the market. I'm just doing some outlines of that black nail, well, gray nail. Just doing some highlight marks on the tips of the nails. Just doing more shadow. Now just some matte black eyeshadow to put in her hair to make it really pitch black and maybe a little dirtiness on her outfit. And after that, we are completely done with our makeup transformation of turning into someone being attacked by the girl from the Grudge. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup transformation. Please leave me comments down below on what you would love to see on this channel. If I pick your idea, I'll definitely shout you out. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. If you do this makeup or any makeup from my YouTube channel, please post on Instagram and tag me #catsketch. I would love to see it. This was so creepy. I have been watching The Grudge since I was a very young girl. I feel like I have to since I'm Japanese. It's part of our like fanfic culture. So I grew up with so many demon girls, stories of them in my life, in my Japanese American household, including ones like this. Subscribe for more videos like this. I do 2 videos a week every Monday and Friday. I also do beauty makeup videos and more body paintings and effects makeups. It is definitely time to take this off and take a shower. This was so much fun to do. I don't think I've done like a spider coming in my mouth when I did Billie Eilish, but like a tarantula, but I've never done fingers, so that's a first. Ooh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are having a happy, great new year. Oh my gosh, my resolutions are to keep doing YouTube, to make better, amazing videos, do a video where I go out in public. I couldn't do that so much when I lived in LA because there's so many like rights you have to have paperwork, you could be stopped by cops, I could get kicked, I've gotten kicked out of places before. So now that I'm in Texas, hopefully I won't get shot or I won't get as much in trouble, I hope. We'll see. But at least once this new year, I want to do that as like a resolution to myself, but we'll see. Again, thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I love you all so much, and I will take a shower. See you in another video. What's gonna be next? Love you, creators. Bye.